Are meditation and mindfulness the same thing? Well, meditation and mindfulness are definitely connected, but they are not the same thing. Meditation is a practice by which we try to quiet the mind and help it to focus and concentrate so that we can sit in stillness for long periods of time. Mindfulness is a practice where we try to open the mind so that we can observe the present moment without judgment. In meditation, you can have several types of meditation practice like mantra meditation, silent meditation, japa meditation, sound meditation, but they all help you to achieve the same purpose, which is quieten your mind. In mindfulness, you can have many types of practice like mindfulness of your body, your thoughts, your food, your activities, but they all help you to achieve the same purpose, which is observe the present.